It's morning at camp and it is a gorgeous sunrise. Beautiful cliffs. We camped up on the bluffs over here, higher up on these sand dunes, and several other groups, some with some pretty luxurious cot setups, just sleeping outside without tents. We've had breakfast, we're all packed up, so we're loading up now. You can see that the canyon we're headed into does not have the kind of sunshine we have here, so probably gonna put on a little jacket, got on my wet waterproof socks to go paddle about 10 miles and check out Waterhole Canyon along the way as we pass through Horseshoe Bend. Here we go, leaving camp. Out of the sun and back into the depths of the canyon. That was a really great sight because it was wide and on a bend, so had a lot of sun. Very pleasant this morning. Yesterday it was 90 and today it's supposed to be more like low to mid 80s. So glassy. Look at the reflection here. There's the rock and here it is in the water. So glassy. I love the different rock features out here, like this arch that's forming up there. Up close. Woo! That thing is robust. Look at those thorns and amazing, beautiful stalk. I wonder how long it'll take for that to bloom. This thing looks like it's 15 feet high. It's gonna be absolutely stunning when it blooms out. Wish I could stay, but gotta go. We have entered Horseshoe Bend. There's a campground. I think that's a mile 9. The Horseshoe Bend campground is gonna be coming up in about a half mile on the right. Oh, how cute. Are those female mergansers? They're so pretty. We're in the bend at Horseshoe Bend, and there's a campground over here. That was probably pretty busy last night, Saturday night, and there we go looking up at the overlook people have hiked into. And see a couple people up there, kind of like little pencils. Woo, that river is strong. It just takes you. So this is a really pretty section. Water so clear. View way down the canyon. Look at this arch forming there. Have like 3/4 of a circle. Will you look at that? Yay, we made it to Waterhole Canyon. Oh, I can't wait to hike up in there and check it out. Nice to take a break from paddling. So far we've done 8.5 miles, so I'm kind of guessing it's only another 1.5 miles, 2 miles till we finish up today. This is Waterhole Canyon. Whoa. We're like underneath this big rock. Hi. Cool canyon. Ooh, we are back on the water, nice and cool out here compared to being up in Waterhole Canyon. That was a hard hike, but check out these clouds. Wouldn't you think there's going to be some kind of storm? So yeah, enjoy the last couple miles. You okay? Yeah, are you okay? I thought you lost your paddle and you were gonna end up down the falls. So I called 911. Yeah. And they passed me. I didn't realize you didn't have your paddle. You know, after I saw you paddling with your hands, that I called 911 and flagged down help.
Yeah, I was pretty impressed how fast this thing and the doors blew up. It was a trip.
It saved you.
Well, the house.
I know.
Absolutely.
No, I know.
I mean, there was, some extra comfort.
Well, yeah, I mean, my initial concern was how cold the water was. Then my concern was how far you were floating away from me. Then my concern was you didn't have a paddle.
The board was away from me. If I didn't have my ankle leash.
Right. Yeah.
Well, I did have to pull the board through me because the board was upstream.
Yeah, it's pretty out here. We were eyeing those clouds. We knew there was something brewing in those clouds.